Good.
Metal. Hello and good day, kids. It's Todd from Toju Racing. How are we doing tonight? It's Friday night. I got my other Dave here with me running the camera, and we are going to unbox his new Ford Capri 1974 RS 3100. The Sheikah camera seems to be the main sponsor on this, so let's get it out of here and take a closer look at this gorgeous Rasta colored car. You know, it's funny, I told the other Dave, the long-haired Dave the Hat Man, to get this car a million times, and he never did. So other Dave got it, and he's got a beauty here. We'll put it on the roundabout just to get a better look at it all around. Dual headlights, sweet driver, mirrors on both sides, nice livery on the Union 76 and Champion spark plugs. There's a couple down here we cannot make out. We even tried with the magnifying glass. This one here says Camel Challenge. It's pretty cool. It's got a little camel in the car. Really hard to make out though. Number 3, it's cool how you can see the cage from the inside the doors, from the side of the doors. You got your door handles you can even see. Lots of really good detail here. The lines of the door itself, your driver, looks really nice. Then it has really sweet tail lights, a nice spoiler, and you can again see the cage from the outside. Very cool. Big ass tires on the back with that nice tread pattern. I imagine this gets pretty good grip, but we do have some Paul Gauge tires coming for this, and we'll get a Franken slot put on this. We're going to do a tuning video of this car next, so stand by for that one. We'll put a little link to that up here in the future. So she looks really good. Let's open her up real quick and just show you the inside. And then Dave's going to take it out on the track and run some laps on it and see how this baby performs out of the box. So bear with me a moment while I take these out of here. This is a really neat car. And these short cars, if it's anything like that Cheetah that Adam has, it's going to run really nice. I think that the short cars do run better because Mike's Camaro in there runs really well and they just don't fishtail as much because you don't have the kinetic energy in the back of the car, since it's not as long, to push you over into the side when you're going into the corner. Now I could be full of shit and my science is not always right. Wait, science? What is it? I don't remember. Haha, I joke. Alright, here's a nice look at the inside. A good look at the tail lights. They're those nice LEDs pointing straight back, so I bet these tail lights are really bright. And the same with the headlights, how they point forward like that. So once we get this baby on the track, we'll know. And it'll look really good. Here's, of course, your Carrera chip, your wire back to your rear lights, and these blue, green and yellow wires are your headlights. Looks like a pretty standard Carrera setup. It's not too noisy. We'll go ahead and grease it up later and all that during the tuning, so that we can get some comparison numbers between out of the box and post tuning. So let me get this back together and we'll get it on the track. I've got the racing app already fired up and in free practice mode, so we can get some lap times on this beautiful Ford Capri. And I want to give wait, I can't remember who, never mind. I was going to give a shout out, but, oh, I remember now. Give a shout out to Pete from Slot It. He's got some new pit garages that have lights and opening doors and all that. I'll try to put a link to the video. I can't put multiple links, but I'll try to put a link to the video down in the chat box so you can check it out. They're really neat. They look a little pricey, but they're probably worth it if you want something super cool for your track. All right, let's get this baby over and give it a whirl. I'll take over. All right, it's already in free practice mode, so go ahead. I will get down here in a good position. What do you think?
That's nice.
Those headlights are really sexy. Bring that over here and let me get a close-up of those.
Nope, sorry. One more time.
Bring it here. Oh yeah, look at that. I love the dual headlight cars, and you can really see the Yashica camera right there, which sounds like it might be a Japanese thing. I'm not sure. Look at them tail lights. Those are gorgeous. All right, good look at the car. All right, let's see what kind of times he can get here. We got the app going. Got a 9.6 this time.
Go with this one.
Rock that bad boy.
Oh.
Ooh, right into the tires. There's Phoebe, everybody. Say hi, Phoebe. Phoebe likes to chase the cars around.
Phoebe. Yeah, I saw your nose in the trash.
Sorry guys, I'm trying to get a good angle here. I'll just move it around a bit. It's running pretty good. Looks like it's pretty sticky all overall.
Yeah.
I mean, it should be with them giant tires. Once you put them Paul gauges on there, it should be scary. We need somebody to kick the crap out of that bullshit cheetah. That's right, Adam. I'm talking to you. Well, you got to go out now and then. Phoebe, come here. Come here, baby. Can you sit for me? Sit. Can you shake? Good girl. Are you pretty? Are you pretty? Yeah, good girl. Phoebe's our track mascot. Currently fastest time 8.26. Come on, Dave, you can do better. Ha! I gotcha. Nope, the fire extinguisher guy's putting your car out. All right, 2 more laps.
Nope.
See if you can get a better time. There you go.
Yeah.
Got to watch that one. That turns a bitch. And we forgot to clean the track. That may have something to do with it.
Yeah, the driver.
All right, so what's our best time? You did get better, 8.05. All right, kids, so that's all we're going to do for this video. Thank you for watching and checking things out. I hope you enjoyed this content. If you did, please give us a like and subscribe. We appreciate it. It helps build up the channel. Next video, we're actually going to go ahead and take this apart and do a tune job on it, and then we'll do another run on it, but that will be a different video. So, thanks, everybody. See you later, Slot Cowboys. Race on. Metal. Say bye, Phoebe. You gonna say bye? Good girl.